Good morning. Low pressures with us for the weekend, so more unsettled weather. Plenty of showers around. I'll have more detail for you coming up.
To you, how's the weather looking for people here at the weekend?
Thanks, Charlie. Hello, Victoria. Actually, it's looking fairly pleasant for the football as well this evening in Sydney. About 16 degrees and should stay dry. It's not going to stay dry here in the UK. It's a rather quiet start. Just thought I'd show you a little bit of valley mist there in Oxfordshire this morning. But low pressures visiting us again this weekend, so it's a distinctly unsettled looking picture. It'll be breezier and there'll be lots of showers around because this is that area of low pressure, the tightly packed isobars. So it'll be windiest in southern and western areas. We've got some longer spells of rain currently moving their way across Scotland. This is the radar picture, the rainfall chart over the last few hours. You can see also some rains close by to southern and eastern areas, but in comes the rain across Scotland. So actually through this morning, it'll turn fairly wet, or there'll be a spell of rather wet weather for many parts away from the northeast. Then it breaks up the cloud behind that we're seeing in Northern Ireland already, but with lots of showers following on. That rain also moves across northern England, across Wales. It just fragments, breaks up to showers, but there will be some heavy showers around and with them some gusty winds. So this is a steady wind speed as we go through the day today. But the blustery winds could be really quite gusty near those showers with some hail and some thunder. So a fresher feel on the whole, but still with some warmth holding on in East Anglia and the southeast. The remnants of the warm air we've had in recent days. So a slightly more comfortable night for many of us, but with the showers and the wind and quite a bit of cloud continuing, it will still be a mild night, just not quite as muggy, except in southern and eastern areas. And southern and eastern areas once again tomorrow will fare best, if you like, for the drier weather because they're furthest away from this area of low pressure. But with that low pressure routed to the west of Scotland, we're looking at more persistent rain potentially back into Northern Ireland and Western Scotland tomorrow morning. Showers developing elsewhere. They don't look much here on the picture, but when they come along, they'll be really quite sharp. There's a lot of strength still in the August sunshine, and later in the day, some more rain comes into the south and the west. Again, temperatures on a par with those of today, so about the seasonal average. Then as we go through tomorrow night and Monday, we've got our next batch of rain moving in, and this time it looks as if southern and eastern areas will see some more persistent rain rather than the intense showers that we'll see through the weekend, perhaps something a little bit drier further north. Temperatures again around the seasonal average. Why drier further north? Because it might be that as we head towards the middle part of the week, we start to see high pressure building from the north, settling things down, keeping these weather fronts at bay, putting a lid on the showers, if you like, and eventually, because of where the high pressure is, drawing up some southerly winds, drawing up a little bit of warmth. But it doesn't last long because you've got low pressure out to the west. Back to you two.
Helen, thank you very much.